Heater installing. So what we doing, Mr. Keys?
I was just installing the wall here to make sure it fits and everything hooking up.
Uh-huh.
Next thing, the inspector, he'll come out and inspect the gas, air pressure,
Okay.
and get the meter for the house, and then we go from there. Got heat, we'll have heat then.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So we looking good.
Yeah, we're looking good, looking good.
All right. All right.
Got to bolt it down, that's it, about it. We gotta get a bracket too. I got one though.
Yeah.
But we're looking good, man.
All right. Does this thing come? It doesn't come with a thermostat or anything, does it?
Yep. This thermostat right here.
Okay.
Wow.
And then you just hook it up to something on the wall.
I mean, you can run a wire. You can run
Okay.
You can run a control wire to it here.
Right.
I think, yeah.
Right. Okay.
Right here.
Uh-huh.
Here's your igniter right here.
Okay.
The striker for your heater.
Right.
Yeah.
All righty. Okay, but you can ignite it from down there.
Yeah, it's got a self-igniter. Once you get the gas hooked up to it, and then turn the pilot on,
Right.
and here's your igniter right here. It's like a hot water heater.
Okay.
Yeah.
So a thermostat wouldn't be, it wouldn't use a thermostat.
Not really. It's got a built-in thermostat right here.
I got you.
It shuts down and comes back on.
I
Got
got
the
you.
temperature provided here on the gauge.
I
It's a
got you.
control knob.
Oh, all from down there.
Yeah. Plus he
Okay.
told me that he got to showing you how to do everything right here. You don't have no problem with this one.
All righty.
Yeah.
Okay. Heater installment, 273 West Essex.